Hi, Sam Burke, Meat and Livestock Australia. I'm here to show you creative ways to cook over fire. Why? Because cooking red meat over fire is liberating. It provides theatre, romance and flavour. Today's cut is a thick T-bone, Bistecca L Florentina. It was served centuries ago in Florence to customers, and it was served with salt, pepper and olive oil over a flaming grill. Today, I'm going to replicate that in my own back garden. So the cut is about 2.5 to 3 inches thick, so it's a big cut of meat. What we're going to do is let this come to room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're going to season it with salt and pepper and a drizzle of olive oil, and then take it over and cook on our flaming char grill. So the first step, olive oil, straight over the cut. Now we only want to put a little bit of olive oil because there's some great marbling in this steak here. So we're just going to lightly press that in. We don't have to add oil to the fat because the fat's got enough fat to render down and cook wonderfully. Repeat the process, turn the steak, and this has got a wonderful marbling. Marbling provides flavour. So make sure, if you've got some good marbling, it's a good thing, not a bad thing. Sea salt over the top. I've got some sea salt flakes here. I find it kind of melts into the steak, and that provides a wonderful result when it comes to seasoning. The sides as well, don't forget them. Next, our cracked black pepper, and that's ready for the char grill. And now for the salad. We've got these wonderful radicchio leaves. We've got the thyme, the olive oil, and we're just going to dress this radicchio and then flame grill it just lightly over the char grill to accompany our steak. We've got our pear here. It's nice and thin. We've added some lemon water to stop it from browning. This will add a nice sweetness to the radicchio of the salad. Let's go over and get our radicchio and beef onto the grill. So we want to get the steak on nice and hot, and then we've raised the plate to finish it off at a moderate heat. When we start seeing the juices come to the top, it's time to turn our steak. For a cut like this, we're looking at about 20 to 30 minutes. We want to get an internal temperature of about 58 degrees, because when it rests, it's going to come up to 62 to 65, which will provide a wonderful medium rare steak. Using the rosemary brush is a lovely way of basting the steak, providing a bit of theatre and adding flavour. Our steak's almost ready now, so it's important to rest the steaks for half the amount of cook time. This will allow the juices to redistribute to the end and give a wonderful eating experience. And there it is, the perfect bistecca. I can't wait for you to join me next time in my backyard, where we create more Aussie red meat dishes over the coals.